Hi everyone, welcome to Paul Programs. Today we're talking about Decor Hero. So, what is Decor Hero? Decor Hero is a game that I developed for the Global Game Jam 2019 based on the theme, What Home Means to You. This game has players trying to decorate a room using a gun. This gun can shoot furniture, paint, flooring, or little hammers used to destroy anything you may not want in the room. So, what better way to end 2019 than to take a look at a game I made during the beginning of 2019? We'll take a look at the mechanics and how the game actually works and how it was put together. Let's take a quick look at the game in action. Here we have our title screen. Once in the game, you're able to move around similar to other first-person shooters. To shoot furniture or any of the other ammo types, you just left click. By clicking on the scroll wheel or left shift, you can change the type of furniture or paint being fired. If you want to swap between furniture, paint, or flooring, you just right click. This game has been built to play however you want. You can be deliberate in how you decorate, or you can just cut loose and shoot furniture, paint, and flooring anywhere you want. And when you get tired of it all, just switch over to the demo ammo type. Now you can feel like Thor meets the Property Brothers. Now that we've seen the game in action, let's take a look under the hood. Welcome to my Unity workspace. I prefer to work off tabs and keep as much as I can in a single viewport because it allows me to see as much as I can. Let's take a look at the prefabs folder. Here you notice we have a bunch of folders and a few prefabs already set. Located under the furniture folder, we'll find all the different prefabs for the pieces of furniture we're able to shoot out. Next, we have our paint and floor folders that hold the prefabs for these ammo types. In our top prefab folder, we have our demo bullet prefab, and we have the room and furniture gun prefabs. Using prefabs allows for simple modifications and spawning several components with ease. Now, let's look at our space. It seems pretty barren with bare walls and floors. Pretty much a blank canvas your interior designer would love to get their hands on. But if you actually look closer on how the room is constructed, the walls and ceiling are straightforward. The floor, however, is broken into several segments. This allows players to throw down different floorings at different parts of the floor. The final bit to check out is our player object. It is a simple player controller with a sci-fi gun placed in view of the camera. The most important part is the bullet spawn where different ammo types will fire from. This component actually holds the script that deals with firing our ammo. Also, you notice we have each of our different ammo types located here. This allows us to easily cycle through the arrays and pick the specific ammo we want to fire from the gun at any time. This covers our Unity setup, but there are still so many questions we have to answer. How does this all work? How are we getting paint on the walls? How is the flooring getting down on the ground? We can actually paint furniture? These are all very good questions, so let's actually dive into the code to see how all of this works. At first glance, you may be wondering what's going on in this code. The gist of it is, there's some space magic. That and the Decor Hero script that manages the game and its different states. This script manages game flow, checks for user input. In a future video, I'll detail how you can work with different game states because it's important to know how to swap between the different parts of a game. But for now, you can just check the code out at GitHub and see how it actually works. The Furnigun script is the most important script to discuss when we're talking about gameplay. Each of the variables in this script handles an important aspect of how the mechanics work. Current weapon handles which weapon will actually shoot. So in state 0, it'll shoot furniture, but in state 2, it'll actually shoot down flooring. The current ammo variable handles what type of ammo is actually being fired. So in one state, it may shoot a couch, but then in another state, you can actually shoot out TVs. Then we have our cooldown variables. These are used to manage how fast you can actually shoot different ammo types out of the gun. In our update method, we poll for user input. If a user left clicks, then we fire out our ammo. If they right click, we swap to a different tool like paint. We also check to see if the weapon has been fired and if its cooldown has been reached. The other important scripts in regards to gameplay are the bullet scripts. These scripts handle the different behaviors for each of the ammo types. The furniture bullet script handles the forward movement of the furniture pieces. Meanwhile, the paint bullet script checks for contact on paintable surfaces. Then it passes its color information onto that surface. If it makes contact with any surface, it will also destroy itself. The flooring bullet script works very similar to the paint one, but instead of passing on color information, it's going to actually pass on material information to floor panels. After it makes contact with any surface, it will also destroy itself. Finally, the demo bullet script checks for contact with any surface. If an object can be destroyed, it will be. If color or material information is applied, that'll be removed, and thus destroying itself in the process. This project was tons of fun to make. Hopefully you were able to learn a bit about how FPS mechanics work as well. You can check out the full code for the game at the GitHub link below. If you have any thoughts, comments, or questions, leave them below as well. Thanks for watching and catch you next year.